Are NFTs like crypto? People usually confuse cryptocurrency and NFTs with being the same, but they're not. There's a lot of difference between both of them and their work. So here today in this lesson, we'll learn exactly what the difference is between NFTs and crypto. But before moving on, let me welcome you all to another video on my channel, Crypto Wisdom. We'll be doing educational videos on cryptocurrency for everyone so that you can understand them easily. And after watching the video, if you like our channel, please subscribe and share it with others. So let's start the video without any further delay. Unless you've been living under a rock for the last few years or in some remote part of the world, you probably have heard of cryptocurrency and NFT. But do you know what they are in your heart of hearts? If not, we strongly advise you to spend a few minutes of your day deciphering these frequently used terms. It could mean the difference between your life and death. Now, let's learn what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are a type of virtual or digital currency that's encrypted. This means they're extremely secure and nearly impossible to forge or double spend. Various encryption algorithms and other cryptographic techniques are typically used in the cryptocurrency you're interested in to protect the networks from outside manipulation. The cryptographic methods used vary, include curve encryption, public-private key pairs, and hashing functions. Most cryptocurrencies are, by definition, decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, which functions as a distributed ledger maintained and enforced by a large network of computers. One of the distinguishing characteristics of cryptocurrencies is their decentralized nature, which in theory makes them immune to government interference or manipulation. For this reason, among others, cryptocurrencies are so appealing to the general public. Another reason for their growing popularity is the ability to send and receive money across borders more quickly and cheaply than traditional money transfer methods. In some ways, decentralization is the key to what is commonly referred to as Web 3.0. Many experts in the field see this as a game changer for the future, comparable to other seminal decentralization events in history, such as the invention of the printing press. But don't get too far ahead of ourselves. As previously stated, blockchain technology is central to the appeal and functionality of many cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. As the name implies, this is a collection of linked blocks of data in a chain across a massively interconnected ledger. When a new block or entry on the ledger is created, this triggers a sequence of verification by each node on the network before the transaction is confirmed and authorized. Because the contents of the ledger must be agreed upon by the entire network, it is nearly impossible to forge changes to historical transactions on the network. Cryptocurrencies can be purchased and sold on specialized exchanges or brokers, or mined using computers or specialized computing hardware, aka mining rigs. Cryptocurrencies can be used to make real-world purchases in the same way that traditional fiat currency can. Still, due to the high volatility and skyrocketing value of some, such as Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies have become a popular investment and trading instrument for large and small investors. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, to give them their full name, are cryptographic assets stored on a blockchain. If you're not aware, fungible is a word derived from the Latin verb fungi, which means to perform. It means interchangeable in modern parlance, though admittedly primarily in legal jargon. This is enormously significant. To put it another way, physical fiat currency is the polar opposite. A pound is always a pound and a dollar is always a dollar, and so on. Each NFT has its own identification code and metadata that allows it to be distinguished from all other NFTs, and as a result, allows its owner to be easily tracked and traced. Finally, we can say that NFTs and cryptocurrencies are similar to humans and chimps. While they share many similarities, they are two distinct species with common ancestors. That common ancestor in the case of NFTs and cryptocurrencies is blockchain. Now that you know cryptocurrency and NFTs are different, which one do you think is the best for the world and will rule in the coming years? Let us know in the comment box below. We hope all of this information was useful to you since we did our best to explain the difference.